In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing an asset tag using Survey123 on an Android device. Start by opening Survey123. Select the survey that corresponds to the asset you're replacing. Next, at the bottom of the screen, tap Inbox to view your assets. Press the crosshairs icon. This will center the map on your position. Usually, the closest asset to your location is the one you're replacing. Tap on it to bring up the form. Scroll down until you find the right RFID section. Tap Start to begin scanning. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see that your TSL RFID reader is already connected. Tap OK to confirm. Now point your RFID reader towards the replacement tag and pull the trigger to read it. You'll now see the new EPC number appear in the right RFID section, confirming that the data has been successfully added. Scroll up to find the InfraMarker RFID field and ensure the number matches the newly written tag. Once everything looks correct, tap the check mark in the bottom right corner. Then tap Send Now to upload your changes to the feature layer. That's it. You've successfully replaced an RFID tag on an asset in Survey123.